Now in English we say I, but in an Irish accent we say oi.
Yes, I'm Roman, and today we'll do an accent challenge, an accent tag. They're the same thing. Let's go. For today, we will try and speak like Irish people. And what better way to learn than from an expert?
Now in English we say I, but in an Irish accent we say oi,
Oi,
as in the word oil.
oi,
Now add that sound to the word Ireland.
Ireland.
Do you feel that bending movement carry you into the sound?
No.
So the practice words with this vowel shift include oi,
Oi,
Ireland,
Ireland.
hoit,
Hoit,
noit,
noit,
soit,
soit.
roit.
Right, right.
Practice sentences. Fortune smiled upon him in Ireland.
Fortune spoiled in Ireland.
Fortune smiled upon him in Ireland.
Fortune smiled on Middle Ireland?
Is not quite the right shade of blue.
That's not quite the right shade of blue.
Oil we have and some of that oil.
Oil we have in some other toil.
Oil we have and some of that oil.
What are you saying at the end? Oil we have in some other... I swear, this is super hard.
Park,
Park,
garden,
garden,
hard,
hard,
work,
work,
start,
start.
earth. Practice sentences. You're such a hard worker.
You're such a hard worker.
What on earth are you doing?
What on earth are you doing?
Home,
Home,
blown,
blown,
stone.
stone.
Practice sentences. Oh, I know, I met him in the road a short time ago.
Oh no, I met him in the road a short time ago.
Don't take it so personal.
Don't take it so personal.
Would you care to go out?
Would you care to go out?
Oh, I'd love to.
Oh, I'd love to. You're not seeing somebody. You're not seeing anybody. That was honestly quite interesting. And now let's see if we can look at the Irish news.
Mikey is convinced over 45 sheep have been stolen.
Over 45 sheep have been stolen.
Possible night, there'd be a full moon there about night, and it should be bright out, and there could anyone go up in the mountains about night, sure.
That guy's not speaking English. Okay, that is all for today's video. But if you enjoyed today's video, like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time.
Possible night, there'd be a full moon there about night, and it should be bright out, and there could anyone go